Okay, everybody, so actually let's do this with a shirt on. Okay, so let me fill you in. I just washed my hair, not now, but in the video you just saw. Well, this is the same video, but anyway, so I just washed my hair, and I did that because it was time to wash it. Before I washed it, I wanted to have my hair crimped. But if you're anything like me, sometimes you'll leave the braids in your hair a little bit too long, and so you'll need to take them out, wash your hair, and then re-braid it. But if you don't want to go through all of that, then try doing something like this. Okay, everybody, I am back. I just washed my braids, as I mentioned, and there we go. Washing did not loosen the braids. Now, as you can see, because my hair is still damp, the crimps really aren't that defined. Had I were to take all of them down now, with it still being damp, they'd probably all look scraggly like that. So I'm going to use Talia Wajid. Her product is Talia Wajid Black Earth Product Tight Hold. This is what I use to lock. All natural. And I'm just going to put some of this on the roots. Usually I use some ducktail clips. I choose to keep mine in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to go to the dollar store and buy a nifty container that's more pretty. Wah. To keep these in. So anyways, this is difficult doing this in the camera because everything's in reverse. So you see what I did? I twist. I divide the hair into two pieces, and I do a double strand twist. And then I palm roll. And then I clip. I'm not going to worry about the middle because when I take the front out, there's going to be so much body. It's going to be so full that the fluff in the middle won't even matter. It'll be covered. And that's all.